leg of a right triangle. One of the two sides attached to the 90-degree angle. The sides of a triangle have names. There are two legs, parentheses like a human, end parentheses, and one hypotenuse. To help my students and myself spell the word hypotenuse, I often break the word into three parts: hypo, H-Y-P-O, ten, T-E-N, and use, U-S-E, hypo-ten-use. That may make it easier to spell, but make sure to pronounce it fluidly, as in hypotenuse. The legs are always attached to the largest angle, and the hypotenuse is always the longest side across from the largest angle. In a right triangle, a triangle with one 90-degree angle, the two sides touching the right angle, parentheses, or adjacent to the right angle, end parentheses, are the legs, and the side across from, parentheses, or opposite, end parentheses, the 90-degree angle is the longest side, the hypotenuse. Keep in mind that in geometry, opposite means across from, and adjacent means next to. The legs of a right triangle are the two sides touching the 90-degree angle. Antonyms: hypotenuse. Related words: largest angle, right triangle, opposite, adjacent.